Let's start with the letter K. Letter K is kick-ass. K is for kite, flying so high. K is for king, ruling the land. K is for kangaroo, hopping so fast. K is for key, unlocking at last. K is for kitten, soft and sweet. K is for kettle, making tea neat. K is for kale, healthy to eat. Letter K is kind and so neat. Sing along the letter